Today is Saturday, July 29th. This is the original vintage 1957 Cadillac Rochester Quadrajet Carburetor, or 4Jet as it was called in 1957. This is a full level 10 restoration for my friend Richard out in Nevada. The unit has been, of course, completely disassembled. All of the individual components ultrasonically cleaned, with all of the seals, floats, jets replaced, and the unit has been calibrated and tested and performance tuned for the Cadillac. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. These particular units require 3 distinctly different calibration settings, and it was an absolute delight, a real pleasure working on this original vintage 1957 Cadillac Quadrajet carburetor. And this will be going out to my friend Richard as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1957 to 1976 Cadillac items overall in my collection. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, these original vintage carburetors, which I thoroughly enjoy restoring, and other critical, hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Saturday, July 29th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.